guys, hi everyone, it's your radio girl Esther Sunday. How you all doing? It's been a minute. I know I can explain, hence the reason why I'm making this video is going to be short, very short, very short. I promise you. How you all doing, and I hope you're doing okay. So just in case you're wondering what's happening, why is there a different background, I'm filming from the office, but let me just go straight to the point without wasting your time. So this video, I'm making this video to beg you people. I wish people can see me. I want to kneel down and beg you. I am really struggling, okay? You guys know that I've always carried you guys along my journey, and I'm deeply sorry if I've been missing in action, but I try as much as possible to upload short, and that's because I've been complaining since the day I started vlogging that I'm having issues with gadgets. I'm having issues with gadgets. I don't come here, can't cry, can't tell you now how I don't have a job. Content creation is the only thing I do. And eventually, I have worked in the past. It didn't work out, low pay. And now, thanks be to the universe that he has finally given me a job that I have passion for. Something I've always wanted to do. And I get paid for it. But for a start, because the media brand is still very small. Let me see this in the recording. The media brand is still very small. So it's not that big. And I mean, for a start, the salary is still, they don't pay me salary, they pay me stipend just to support me, okay? But here's where I need help. I'm saving my stipend because I really want to change my phone. I'm using an Android phone to vlog. I know that people will say that phone doesn't matter, the quality of your content doesn't matter. The quality of your content doesn't matter. Sorry, the quality of the phone doesn't matter, but the quality of the camera doesn't. You will say that the quality of your camera doesn't matter. It's the quality of the content. But I don't tire, honestly, because my phone is giving me storage problem, insufficient space. Please help me. Help me, please. I don't have a lot of people. I used to stay with my sister around Ojodubega, but eventually it was closer to my place of work, and I have to move back to Ikorodu where my parents stay. And it's quite a distance. I cannot be going to work. I cannot be coming all the way from Ikorodu down to my place of work every single day. The distance and the cost of transportation. If I calculate how much I spent on transportation every single week, it's close to 10,000. I don't even earn up to 100k. Do the plus or minus, do the calculation. What is left for me most times at the end of the month is 10,000 naira. I am doing this for the passion, Abi. But person gas feed. And now I'm not even enjoying the money that I'm working for because I also have to save up. I have to also build my own platform. I need to build my portfolio as a content creator. The talents dey, but connection no, the person they struggle. The challenges are too much. It's so overwhelming. Some nights I cry because I don't know. All of this is just too much. I'm a girl who wants to put herself out there, but there's so many challenges. I need help. I'm serious. If you're watching this video, if you come across this video, I need help. I need help. Please help me. People should help me, please. How can I be a fine girl with talent and I'm struggling? It's not like I'm not putting myself out there. I'm not trying. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. Person they struggle with views. Person they struggle to create content. And now the ability to create content, the instrument is no longer there. Please don't come with, oh, use what you have. What I have now, don't they use me. What I have is tired of me. I can no longer use what I have anymore. I started vlogging with techno. Started vlogging when I never gave up on. It was quite easy for me when I was coming all the way from Ojodubega and down to Agege. But people I was staying with said I should leave their house stylishly, and I left. And it has become very hard because of the cost of transportation and the distance. I beg, how can I help me? How can I help me? Una see me that I struggle. I recorded 2 videos. I'm using my office phone to shoot right now, only to find out that all the things I've been saying, the camera had flipped to the... Anyways, let me just continue this content. Please, I'm really struggling. I'm struggling because I have to save up to get myself a gadget. I'm having storage problem. I've been saving my salary since I started working here. Maybe I'm just going to include the video on this one. I don't even know. I don't know because I don't even know where to start from. I need help. If you have any phone that you are not using again, you have 2 iPhone. Whether it's iPhone 13 or iPhone 14. I'm tired of saving because I don't get to touch my stipend at the end of the month. Some days I go to bed crying like, why? Why is phone such a big deal to me? Like, when I even can afford to get myself a phone, I struggle to get a job. And now I get a job. It's also a struggle for me to save up to get myself a phone, especially now that the economy is just, it's not encouraging. Things are expensive. Things are expensive. It's going to take me like 6 to 7 months to be able to save up money. Can't God send somebody to just buy me this phone? Must I use my own money to buy it? I need help. If you're watching this video, please. And in any way you can come out to come and help this girl, please reach out to me. Reach out to me. If you want me to leave my account number on the screen, I need help. I'm struggling. I can no longer hide it. I am really, really struggling. Some days I come to work, I no go chop. The food I will bring to work, that's the food I will eat till I leave for 3 whole days. For 3 whole days, you don't master me throughout today. I never eat. The only food that has been in my stomach is the food that I ate since yesterday until I get home. That's what I'm going to eat. Let's talk about how I even used to get to work every single day. Transportation, Nicole. That one, I will be coming to work. I'll be thinking about my life. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I just go back from a shoot I went to. I'm begging. I'm asking for help because it is really draining me out. Please help me. Help me. May you never lack help in your life. May you never lack help. Please. I don't touch my stipend till I wait till the money is complete. But as it be me, I'm tired. Honestly. Guys, you are not entitled to help me. But please, if you can, it will really go a long way. I really appreciate it. If I don't get help from social media, from total stranger, if I get help outside that, I will come and unbox the phone with you. As I save up the money and they talk about, because this my channel is a journey, I will come here too and show you when I want to go and buy the phone too. If my money don't complete for my salary, I will take you guys along. Thank you so much. Thank you. As you look forward to helping me. Thank you. And if you don't look forward to helping me, we move on. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you.